ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
Honesty can make us a well-disciplined person in the society. Along with this, honesty can solve any human problem, as I told you in my starting of speech. Honesty is that thing which we have to add in our habitual things, like bathing, or anything which we done in our today life. Along with this, honesty can make us a happiness person in the society, and honesty can make us good health. If suppose if there is someone is a dishonest person, and if he caught in the case of dishonesty, then he or she has to pass that life which is fulfilled of stressful, worryful, tensionful, and all about etc. But honesty always creates a positive attitude to lead a peaceful life and to become a successful person in the society. Along with this, honesty can solve any social problems like corruption or anything. And like in today's day, many officers are doing corruption in between the channel before reaching to the poor. They are doing just corruption or dishonesty for just fulfillment of their own pocket with money. My dear audience, if you will look their homes and property, you will find that how corrupt they are. But when you will compare their salaries, you might thought that they are earning close to the middle class property. But it's wrong. When you will see their homes and property and bank balance, you will find that how corrupt they are. And because of such corrupted officer, our beloved country India facing such a huge problem. As we know that in today's day, the politics has corrupted. In today's day, in politics, all the politicians, not all some politicians wants only money, and they are just wishing to become famous instead of national orientation and instead of citizen requirement and their interest. So we can say that the level of honesty when is decreasing day by day, which give a rise to the corruption. My dear audience, now I would like to talk about our court system throughout India. As you know that the court is known as the temple of truth, and the judges are known as the god of truth, because that's the judges have to give a true verdict to any criminal. But my dear audience, it feels bad to say that there are few judges who are still in jail. It was found that more than 3,000 cases that had been charged on the basis of false proofs and spoke. So my dear audience, you can see that what is the honesty and corrupting words level in our courts and in every place. Now, in today's day, many people are using shortcut to become a successful person in his life. I'm talking about that person who are using shortcut, like first, some person are comparing himself to become a richest person, and to become a richest person, some person are using shortcut, and in the journey of this shortcut, many people are doing dishonesty and corruption, which is very bad. My dear audience, I'm not blaming to any judges, any politicians, and any officers. I'm just talking about that officers, politicians, and judges who are arrested in the case of criminality and dishonesty, which is required by our media or newspaper or anything. So it was all about my topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,